Hello, I'm Julian Conway, Sales Manager at Schubert North America, part of the Schubert Group, a global leader in robotic packaging systems that are flexible, efficient, and built for the future. We serve a wide range of industries, from food and bakery to cosmetics and pharmaceuticals, with dedicated local support across North America. This September, the largest trade show for the baking industry in the Americas, IBIE, returns to Las Vegas. If you're attending the show, stop by our booth 201 in the West Hall to explore our latest packaging innovations. This year, we're showcasing our flowpacker, a modular system that offers precision handling for delicate products like pastries, cookies, and croissants. Schubert's flowpacker combines pick-and-place robotic technology with high-speed flow wrapping in one seamless space-saving system, reducing floor space requirements by up to 70% compared to conventional machines. Featuring our F4 guided robots for gentle product handling, the flowpacker offers exceptional flexibility and can handle many different products in various orientations, whether that be flat, on edge, in a tray, and in a single or multi-pack configuration. Equipped with patented heat sealing technology, including a flying cross seal unit and ultrasonic longitudinal sealing, it can efficiently package even heat-sensitive products into flowpacks. This machine features three standout innovations from Schubert: flexible robotic pick-and-place technology that gently handles delicate products in various orientations and formats, advanced vision technologies including a 3D scanner to provide 100% quality control, and finally, automatic lug changeover systems that enable format changes without manual intervention, reducing setup time and improving overall efficiency. Whether you're looking to boost efficiency, reduce labor, or future-proof your packaging operations, Schubert's flowpacker is a smart investment in performance and reliability. Visit us at booth 201 at IBIE to see firsthand how our advanced automation solutions can transform your packaging line. We look forward to connecting and helping you take your production to the next level.